This is not a test. A tornado warning. Go to shelter immediately.
Disease, take them to the hospital immediately or call 911.